Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a quick look together at this etrailer Sidewind Square 2-speed jack with crank. Now this 2-speed jack is going to let you raise and lower your trailer, and the low gear is going to give you full lifting power, and the high gear is going to give you ultimate speed. So this jack is going to be ideal for agricultural and commercial applications. This does have a lift capacity of 10,000 pounds and support capacity of 12,000 pounds. And the durable 1 1/4 inch jack screw is going to allow for heavy lifting. The twin thrust bearings are going to make extending and retracting this jack very easy rather. As you can see, I do have the handle attached, and I just wanted to show you when you have the handle pushed in, as I have it right now, that's going to be the low gear setting. And then when you pull the handle out, that's going to activate the high gear setting like that. So it's going to be very easy to adjust. I'm going to go ahead and retract it fully. So as you can see, even though I have this on a table and I'm demonstrating it, not welded onto anything, hopefully you can see just how easy this is going to be to switch between that low gear and the high gear. You can see that the movement is very smooth when retracting or extending the jack. So this sidewind handle, as you can see here, is curved, so you're not going to have to worry about sharp ends or anything like that. And then if you notice, we do have a Weld-On clip that's right here. So this is a great addition. So you can secure the handle when you're traveling. So you'll just need to weld that on. And again, that clip is included. We do have built-in grease zerks here that's going to give you a very easy way to grease this up to make sure that it's always maintained and ready to go. And just to give you some measurements here, to give you an idea of the size or the size of the tube here, the square tube. Let me see if I can give you a closer view there. So looking at the outer tube, we're sitting right at about 4 inches. Hopefully you can see that. And then on this inner tube, we're sitting pretty close to about 3.5 inches or so. So 4 inches on the outer tube, 3.5 inches on that inner tube. Now when this is fully retracted, as I have it now, we're sitting pretty close to 28 inches, a little bit over 28 inches. And I'm just measuring from the top of the foot plate to the top of the jack. So a little over 28 inches. So that's fully retracted. Now when you have this fully extended, it's going to be about 40 1/4 inches fully extended. This is going to give you a total lift of about 25 7/8 inches. And the screw travel is going to be about 12 3/8 inches. And then the drop leg travel is going to be about 13.5 inches. I wanted to give you another close-up again just to show you this drop leg. To allow this leg to drop down, you're just going to take this plunger pin, pull that out, and then you can just secure it on either side there, and that's going to allow that pin to stay extended so that drop leg can freely move. Now, I can't easily demonstrate that leg being dropped since it's on my table here, but obviously you're going to have holes here on that inner tube. So once you have that adjustment that you're looking for, or that height that you're looking for, you're just going to push that back into the center like that, and it's spring loaded, so it's going to spring back into place to secure in the hole there in the drop leg that's going to work best for you. So it's going to be very easy, and what I like about this locking, this plunger pin locking into place on either side, is you're not going to have to be struggling to keep that pin out while you're trying to find that drop leg adjustment. So that's going to be very easy to get that drop leg set into position there. The foot plate here, we're sitting about 8 inches wide by I know you can't see this, about 8¼ inches long, so obviously this wide foot plate is going to help minimize sinking into soft ground. And this does feature black painted inner and outer tubes, as you can see. And this is going to be a Weld-On installation. But I think that's going to wrap up our quick look today. I do hope that our brief time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.